Here's a little preview of the new template we've been working on. A lot of folks have worked on this. I just wanted to get a preview now so that when we all have time, we'll be able to get together and get to the point where we can finalize this. But you can see now what we'll be able to do is actually create our own Tandem 7 template. So you can go ahead and launch that here. We're working on the macros to get them signed, so you don't have to worry about that all the time. Added a lot of features in here. You know, we talked about the headers and footers. Folks have solved this. But really, we figured out how to use the gluing capabilities for stuff so things can snap together a little bit easier. And once it's snapped there, it snaps together. And let's say this object was a little bit bigger, we can make it bigger, and everything stays nice and tucked together. You're not doing a lot of rearrangement. Where this gets really great is in our controls. Um, when we look at the controls here, you'll see that there's this new cell. So you can actually just start to build a table, and you can see how the glue points work. They snap by whatever closest thing you've grabbed. So if I grab it by this dot, that's where it glues together. If this one, I grab it by the top, that's where it glues together. So let's say we have this really simple cell or table that we've built, and we're building this for the client. We're going through reviews, and the client goes, oh, you know, we need another column to add to that table. So let's just go ahead and add another column. Or as we're working, we find out, oh, this column's data is a lot bigger. Let's go ahead and make it bigger. And every now and then some things come unglued. You just glue them back together and they're fine. Or maybe this one's a little smaller. You know, you saw this thing got unglued, so you just try to move it, and it glues itself back. There you have it. Now we can really do a lot more table manipulation, a lot easier than any of the manual processes I think we've been using up to now. A lot more stuff like that's out there, and I'd like to be able to review that with everyone so that